Hello everyone, in this video I will cover question number 10 to 15 of exercise 13.1. In question number 10, a black die and a red dice are rolled. Then find the conditional probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that black die resulted in a 5. So see here, a black and a red dice are rolled, then total outcomes it will be 6 into 6, 36. Now let event A is equal to sum is greater than 9 and event B, which is black die, resulted in a 5. And since we have to find the conditional probability of event A when event B is already happened, it means event B which is given that it means ये already हो चुकी है. So here set A, sum is greater than 9, it will be, it means either 10, 11 or 12, maximum number 6 plus 6, that is 12. So greater than 9, so first see 10, the sum is 10, 4, 6, 10, 5, 5, 10 and 6, 4, 10. Now 11, 5, 6, 11 and 6, 5, 11 and last that is 6, 6 which is 12. So these are total 6 outcomes. So probability of A, which is PA, 6 upon 36, and black die resulted in a 5. So suppose if we fix 5 at black die, this is 5, then any other number comes on red die. Other number, it means from 1 to 6. So it will be 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Here 5 comes on black die, which is a fixed number. Here 5 is fixed. So दूसरी जो डाई है रेड, उस पर 1 से लेके 6 कुछ भी आ सकता है. So once again there are total 6 outcomes. So probability of B, which is 6 upon 36. A intersection B, common part of A and B. So here only 5, 5 and 5, 6. These two things are common. So there are only 2 elements. So probability of A intersection B, which is 2 upon 36. Now probability of A, it means sum is greater than 9 given that B is already happened. So probability of A intersection B and divided by this PB. So A intersection B, that is 2 by 36 and PB, that is 6 upon 36, 36 cancel out, only 2 by 6, it means only 1 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, next second part of question 10. Find the conditional probability of obtaining sum is 8 given that means ये event हो चुकी, given that red die resulted in a number which is less than to 4. So if 2 dice are rolled, then total outcomes 6 into 6, 36, and event A, sum is 8, and event B, red die resulted in a number which is less than to 4. Less than to 4, it means only 1, 2 and 3. It means red die के ऊपर number आ रहे हैं only 1, 2 and 3. Now event A, sum is 8. So 2, 6, that is 8, 3 and 5, 8, 4, 4, 8, 5, 3, 8 and 6, 2, 8. So these are total 5 events. Now red die resulted number less than 4. It means 1 or 2 or 3. So red die के ऊपर अगर 1 है तो black के ऊपर 1 से लेके 6 तक कुछ भी हो सकता है. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Once again, if red die के ऊपर 2 है तो ब्लैक के ऊपर 1 से लेके 6 तक once again कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 एंड 2 6. एंड सेम एज रेड के ऊपर अगर 3 हो तो ब्लैक के ऊपर एनी वन नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 6 इट विल बी पॉसिबल. सो 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 एंड 3 6. So these are total 18 outcomes. So here probability of B, which is 18 upon 36. Here common part A intersection B. So 2 and 6 8 and 3 and 5 8, only 2 outcomes are common. So probability of A intersection B, which is 2 upon 36. Now we have to find a conditional probability when event B is already happened and we want to find the probability of A. So A by B. So P A intersection B divided by this PB. A intersection B, that is 2 by 36, and P of B, that is 18 upon 36, 36 cancel out, only 2 upon 18, that is 1 by 9. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 11. A pair dice is rolled and consider the following events: event E 1 3 5, F only 2 3, and G 2 3 4 and 5. So first find E intersection F, which is only 3, F intersection G, which is only 2 and 3, 2 and 3 which is common, and E intersection G, first and last. So 3 and 5 which is common in both, and intersection of all three events E, F and G, which is only 3. Now probability of E, since event E has 3 elements, so 3 by 6, F has only 2 elements, so 2 by 6, and G has total 4 elements, so it is 4 by 6. Now in probability of E intersection F, so it is only 1, so 1 by 6. Probability of F intersection G, so there are 2 elements, so 2 by 6, and probability of E intersection G, so once again there are 2 elements, so 2 by 6, and intersection of probability of all intersection of all 3 events E, F and G, that is 1 by 6. Now first part, we have to find E by F, conditional probability when event F is already happened. So probability E intersection F in numerator and divided by PF. So E intersection F, which is only 1 by 6, and P of F, that is only 2 by 6, this one P of F. So 6 cancel out, only 1 by 2, this is the answer. Now F upon E, so once again intersection in numerator and divided by PE. So intersection which is same as 1 by 6, and P of E that is 3 by 6. So 6 cancel out, only 1 by 3. Second part, E by G. So E and G, this is the intersection part, and divided by this PG. So E intersection G, which is 2/3, E intersection G, where E intersection G, that is 2 upon 6, and PG that is 4 by 6, this one. So 6 cancel out, 2 by 4, it means 1 by 2. Now G by E, so once again G intersection E in numerator and divided by P of E. E intersection G, which is 2 by 6, E intersection G, which is 2 by 6, and P of E, that is 3 by 6, this one. So 6 cancel out, 2/3, this is the answer. Now third part, we have to find P E union F upon G. It means when G is already happened. So it is P of E by G, P of F by G, and P of E intersection F by G. So P E upon G, which is 1 by 2, but P F by G and P E intersection F by G, we have to find out. So see here, this is F by G. F by G, it means F intersection G in numerator and divided by PG. F intersection G, which is 2 by 6, and PG that is 4 by 6. So once again 6 cancel out, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 here. P E intersection F by G. So probability of intersection of both E intersection F intersection G and divided by PG. So E intersection F intersection G, it means only 1 by 6, and PG that is 4 by 6. So once again you will get 1 by 4, and put the value in equation. So P E intersection F divided by G, which is P E by G, this one 1 by 2, F by G, which is also 1 by 2, minus P E intersection F by G, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 1, and 1 minus 1/4, answer is 3/4. And there is one more part, P E intersection F by G, so its answer is 1/4. Okay, next question number 12. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy, to be a girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls? Given that means ये events जो है हो चुकी हो. Number 1, the youngest is a girl, and second one more, at least one is a girl. So there are only 2 boys and girls, there are only 2 members. So here sample space as it will be either GG, GB, BG or BB, means both are boys. Event A, the youngest is a girl, youngest is a girl, it means this one GG or one more BG. There are only 2 events, so probability is 2 by 4. At least one is girl, कम से कम एक girl हो. So either GB, BG or both are girls. At least कम से कम एक girl हो, दोनों भी girls हो, चलेगी, no problem. So it will be 3 by 4. Now both are girls, there is only one case, it means GG. Now intersection of A and C, which is only one element which is common in both, that is GG, this one. And intersection of B and C also only one element, that is GG. So probability of A intersection B, which is 1/4, and probability of B intersection C, which is also 1/4. Now we have to find the conditional probability that both childs are girl, given that the youngest is a girl. It means we have to find the probability of C when event A is already happened. So in numerator, intersection of A and C and divided by this P of A. So probability of A intersection B, that is 1 by 4, and P of A that is 2 by 4, this one. So 1/4 cancel out, only 1 by 2 remaining. Now second case, once again find the probability that both childs are girl, given that B it means at least one is girl. So once again here in numerator, probability of B intersection C and divided by PB. Probability of B intersection C, which is 1/4, and probability of B, that is 3/4, this one. And here 4 is cancelled out, so your answer is only 1 by 3. Okay, next question number 13. An instructor has a question bank containing 300 easy true-false question, 200 difficult true-false question, and 500 easy multiple choice question, and 400 difficult MCQ multiple choice question. If a question is selected at random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be an easy question, given that it is a multiple choice question? Given that it means multiple choice question ये already event हो चुकी है, and now we want to find the probability that question it will be an easy question. So see here, there are total 300 easy true false question and 200 difficult true false questions, so total questions 500, and MCQ questions easy, there are total 500, and difficult MCQ question which is only 400, so total 900, and in question bank there are total 1400 questions, and one question which is selected at random. And let event A question it will be easy. So here easy questions there are total 800, and event B suppose it will be MCQ. So here MCQs there are total 900. So common part of A and B. So this is the MCQ and this is the easy question. So common part which is only 500. So A intersection B which is only 500 questions. So its probability 500 upon 14. Now our target is we have to find the probability of A. A it means easy question, given that जबकि event B हो चुकी हो, it means probability B event B already happened. So in numerator A intersection B, probability of A intersection and divided by PB. So probability of A intersection B, that is only 500 upon 1400, and P of B that is 900 upon 1400. So 1400 cancel out, 500 upon 900, it means only 5 by 9. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 14. In question number 14, given that two numbers appearing on throwing a 2 dice are different, find the probability that the sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. When 2 dice are rolled, then total outcomes it will be 6 into 6, 36. Getting same number it means 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 or 6 6. These are total 6 events. So let event A, both numbers are different. So both numbers are different. There are total 36 outcomes, and same number R is only 6 events. So number of elements of this event A, which is 36 minus 6, it means only 30 events that are different. Both numbers are different. So its probability which is 30 upon 36. Event B, sum is only 4. So sum is only 4, it means 1 3 2 2 or 3 1, it means only 3. So its probability which is 3 upon 36. And intersection that is only 1 3 and 3 1. This is the sum that is 4 and different, both numbers are different. So 1 3 and 3 1, these are different, 2 2 which is same. So its probability which is 2 by 36. Now since given that means event A which is already given, both numbers are different, this is given, and we want to find the probability of B, it means sum is 4. So B by A. So probability of A intersection B divided by this BA. So probability of A intersection B, that is 2 upon 36, and probability of A, that is 30 upon 36, 36 cancel out, 2 upon 30, it means only 1 by 15. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 15. Consider an experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again, and if any other number comes up, then toss a coin. Find the conditional probability of the event the coin shows tail, given that at least one die shows a 3. So let's see here. When we throw the dice, then 1 2 3 total 6 outcomes are possible. If multiple of 3, it means 3 and 6 comes, then once again throw the die. So it will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. And once again if 6 comes, then once again throw the die. So you will get 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. And if other number comes, it means either 1, 2, 4 or 5 comes, then throw a coin. So you will get 1H 1T or 2H 2T or 4H 4T and 5H 5T. Let event A is equal to coin shows tail. Coin shows tail, it means only 1T, 2T, 4T or 5T. And event B, at least one die shows a 3. At least कम से कम एक die पर 3 आए, दोनों पर आए तो कोई बात नहीं. So it will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6 and 6 3. So these are event B. Here observe here intersection of A and B which is 5. So its probability which is 0. Since in this question we have to find A by B, it means probability of event A. Event A, it means coin shows tail, given that it means at least one die shows a 3. This event is happened. So probability of A intersection B divided by PP. Since numerator, the value of numerator which is 0, so its probability, the value of its probability, it will be 0. Now last 2 MCQ remaining, so please try at your home.